Welcome to Arizona, the desert, 9B. That's a sketch of my sister Joanne Stevens. She's politely standing 6 feet back in line. I got her to take me to do some shopping so that we could set up a new garden. We went to Tractor Supply to get new container soil. We went to Walmart, got all the seeds out of the freezer, and we proceeded to fill up 12 new 10-gallon grow bags. And we were trying to use the hugelkultur method. And some of the seeds we have planted are 2 moringa seeds, cabbage, spinach, arugula, salad bowl lettuce, gourmet blend lettuce, pickling cucumbers, white spine cucumbers, radishes in a couple places, purple top turnips. 2 of the containers have bush string beans because we don't just grow herbs, we're growing food, and we're starting in 105-degree weather. We have pickling cucumbers, acorn squash, extra basil seeds everywhere. And in the grow bag in the side, we have sweet William marigolds, zinnias, cosmos, and Shasta daisies, marigolds, and more zinnias. We are planning on putting stuff in that big tote there. We're going to do some potatoes in hay, straw. I've seen that done. The mint and lemon balm didn't come up out front. I think I let them get too dry. So I threw some radish seeds in there and some flowers. I put the candy roaster squash in there just to see if it would come up. There is some rosemary, and I brought that from Connecticut. The parsley is right down here. We had a rain the other day, so I put it over by the pool so I could get some water. And we just kept planting. I just kept dropping seeds like T-Nog and Nikki. Just kept dropping seeds. So these are the beds that we resurrected. There is a 100-gallon grow bag over on the other side, as well as a commercial wheelbarrow. There we're doing the companion planting with the tomato and the basil. On this side of the house is a very large orange tree and a Meyer lemon tree. And I thought if I lined the grow bags up along the side over there, that they wouldn't get as much sun. As you see there, it's very, very bright. And we're going to get those 2 little tomatoes off before the critters find them. It looks nice and neat out there. Hopefully it will work because I will be gone and she will be trying to move those grow bags by herself. She's a slender lady. There are things coming up. As you see, those are actually string beans and turnips. I wonder where the beets are. The beets are up somewhere, although I didn't say it. Or maybe I have to drop some more seeds. I will be here 2 more weeks. Those are more radishes that I planted in the bags. You see where I put the zinnias and marigolds in? No unused real estate. If you look really closely, you can see everything starting to germinate in the 2 weeks I have been here. Look, real close. You see them? Aren't they cute? Look at that. My sister's going to have food when I'm back in Connecticut. Oh yeah, there's some Jamaican sorrel in the back of this big grow bag. There are 5 cantaloupe seeds, probably 4 too many, but I wanted to make sure that at least something came up when I was gone. Just look at them, all that stuff growing in there. And pollinators in there as well. The mulch is to keep things wet. And we have 2 plants growing inside. My sister takes care of them when I'm not here. Thanks for watching Garden Quilt and Art Show, Arizona edition.